It's Gypsy Man, we're back. This is part 3 of the 3B of the Glock 33 restoration. So we just got finished polishing the slide rails. Alright, and look at that, it's gleaming. It's gleaming in the light. That's what we want. Alright, so let's just give this a quick bath and a little bit of alcohol real quick, because I'm not too fancy. I don't have one of those baths. You can put these in the sonic baths. So hopefully this alcohol will cut to get some of this shine off of here. Yeah. That's a lot better. Get some of that shine off. I'm touching it with oily hands or just being around oils. And I'm not talking about gun oils. I'm talking about motor oils. That's what it looks like. But it may not be. I'm just creating a story behind this gun, but hopefully this dulls it out some. Cleans out some of those, well, a little bit of texture that these Gen 3s have. Alright, that's a lot better. Alright, so we got some of that matte look back. We got most of it actually back. And that was 70% alcohol. And that's all we use. No solvents. I don't use solvents again on any of the guns that I own. If anything, I'll just use water. All right, so we got that part pretty much looking good and restored. So we can put that aside. So now let's get back to, let's polish this. Polish the guide. And again, I like to use the big wheels to do that. Wow, it actually absorbed the flits. So let's go ahead and put some more on there. Well, I don't mean absorb, but it's gone. All right, so let's go for it. I usually can get these pretty shiny. But this is a Gen 3. It hasn't seen a lot of care, so we're going to do the best that we can. Sorry about that, because I'm using a camera rig. This is the first time I can go hands-free on the video. So this is all new to me. Let's try to keep it in the middle. How about that? All right, let's see how it came out. Usually once I wipe it off, it comes out pretty good, but if not, these Glock mats are good for polishing. Look at that. We're gleaming now. Remember, this just looked like copper last time. So to get it even in this form is an improvement. get it here is an improvement. So I'm not mad at that at all. So we're just making sure we got all of that off of there. All right, so we got a nice little gleam on there where we can. I'm not about shaving metal off or polishing metal down. If I take what it gives me. If it gives me this, I'm happy with it. If it gets better, I'll take it. All right, so but look at this. Look at that trigger bar. We might have to do a part. We're going to have to do a part 3C for this one. Because we got some work to do. All right, so 3C's on the way. Peace.